Thank you for the follow-up videos. Not many people do it, and they should. Why? Because they start seeing improvement and they think their baby's on track. Your baby is improving. I really like the rolling over. I really like the grabbing the feet and the rolling over. You're getting that pump and the push. But I want to explain to you still what's going on, why there's difficulty or can't. And again, can't is the optimal word of rolling over from the belly to the back. If you look at her back, right about here, she has a problem crossing midline, right? Tummy time should still look like this. And guys, please, I know you're trying to show me a video. You've got to slow down. Don't shake the object. You know, vision is vision. If I just go like this, you're going to watch my nails. You're going to just do it, right? If I'm doing this, right, that's really difficult, especially on a baby. So again, and bringing it up this high is not going to get her to roll over, right? They roll over because they're looking to get something and they roll that way. It's not about twisting him to such a point where they want to roll, right? It's about the quality, right? Thanks. So what you're doing here with the live, I'm doing the live, sorry. What you're doing here in tummy time, what you should be looking for, right, is right now she should be here, right? It's a pre-crawl. Do you see it? But right now she's still here. You see it? That's a midline interruption. There's a difference. Again, that's why people say, well, it's tummy time. It's the quality of tummy time. And that's why she can't roll from her back. So again, you're still either in the rolling over course in the tummy time, which is fine. But one of the things, and again, I'm holding my child's head. You might have to too, if not be right here on the chest. And you're just working on this gentle to cross that midline and find out where that glitch is. I can see it pretty clear right here in her back, but it might not be as obvious to you. You also want to come underneath here, pubic bone in here, and this is another nice way to start it. I'm just rolling into that pelvis, but I want that back to start crossing midline. Just see how the whole back is crossing midline. This is not crossing midline. You do not want your baby to lift their head this high and go over. That's falling out of tummy. That's not rolling over, and that's the difference, and that's where you're still going to want to work. Thanks.